Hey there. Today I'm going to do the string technique. I'm going to do a dirty pour for the background, and then I'm going to do the string technique on top. For the background, for the dirty pour, I'm using Artist Loft Metallic Blue. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Deco Art Lavender. I've got just some white house paint. I can't remember the brand it is. It could be Bear, but it's house paint. And this here is a sample paint. Sample paint, that mist tint that I got from Lowe's, and I think it's Ballspar paint. It's like a pale yellow. For the string part of it, I'm using the same white. I'm using Artist Loft Deep Magenta, Artist Loft Aqua Green, and Brilliant Magenta. Yeah, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I use Zinsser for the pouring medium and a little bit of water. So what I use is about 2 to 3 parts paint, depending on how thick it is. And then I add water so that it's the right consistency. And let's see if I can get it. This is about the consistency you need. I don't want to get any on like that. So this is a 12 by 12 canvas. I've got little tackies on the back. There's my drip tray, and this cup is, I'm probably going to fill, I'm not really quite sure because I've never done this size before. So probably almost full, maybe about here, and it's probably about an 8-ounce cup. Excuse me. So I'm going to use mostly white. Try to use mostly pale colors. Oh yeah, I didn't mention this. Sorry. I don't use silicone. I use, it's called Got to Be Dazzling Shine Spray for your hair. It's got dimethicone in it, and it's pretty good. I've used it before. Works well. So I put about, I don't know, 2 or 3 drops, maybe 4 drops each in each color. So now I'm just going to start layering the paint. I give it a bit of stir. Yellow. My grandchildren are going to come up this week for March break. Hopefully I can do a painting with them. That'll be fun. Okay, here I go. Just going to flip it over. Going to zoom in so you can get a better look at it. zoom out to show you how I put the string in the cups. Lots of air bubbles on there. Oh, okay. First of all, I'm going to put some of the silicone in. Not silicone. Got to be. Okay, now I'll zoom back in, please. As I'm pulling it out, I shouldn't zoom back in. I'm just gonna run the stick along there, along the edge, so that it doesn't collect too much paint. And there we go. That's what I didn't. I made a mistake. I took too much paint off before. So let's put it back in there. Let's go up here. And I'll just give it a pull. Okay. Try right here. Okay, and I just pull again. All right, where can I put this one? About. Looks pretty cool. Just a small one. Oops. Not quite what I wanted to do, but tells me I should put it right here. Drip. Whoops, it probably was, because look what I'm doing now. Ah, shoot, I think I got too much. I think I got too much white there. It's not bad. I like the blue. Oh dear. So this is my cottage, and I'm just going to show you my view. That's why I love it here so much. There's my view at the kitchen sink. Snow on the lake, but the snow is starting to melt on the ground. These are the little chairs I made out of popsicle sticks. I made a couple of them. Maybe one day I'll do a video on that. This is my favorite room. It's so warm in here when the sun's on it, even in the winter. So anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Take care. See you next time. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and do a video once a week. Possibly more, but I'll aim for once a week for now. And hope you have a great day. Bye-bye for now.